I bet you didn't know that one of Jupiter's moons might hold the key to finding alien life. Arthur C. Clarke once imagined a sequel to 2001, A Space Odyssey, a story called 2010, Odyssey 2. At its climax, an alien intelligence converts Jupiter into a second star, leaving behind a chilling message: all these worlds are yours, except Europa. Attempt no landing there. What did Clarke know that we didn't? Back in 1982, he hinted that Europa, one of Jupiter's icy moons, might hold secrets crucial to life's existence beyond Earth. 42 years later, fiction meets reality. In October 2024, NASA launches the most ambitious mission yet to search for signs of life, and it's heading to Europa. But this mission isn't going to be easy. There's one colossal obstacle. Jupiter is deadly. Its powerful radiation could destroy any spacecraft that comes too close. 2,334 days. That's all that stands between us and a possible rendezvous with alien life. A blink of an eye on the cosmic calendar. Yet in that short time, we have the potential to make one of the most profound discoveries in human history. The Europa Clipper mission, set to reach Jupiter's moon Europa, has ignited our collective imagination. Could this icy world, harboring a hidden ocean, hold the key to unlocking the secrets of life beyond Earth? The countdown has begun. Every passing day brings us closer to this pivotal moment in our exploration of the cosmos. The world watches with bated breath as scientists and engineers work tirelessly to prepare the Europa Clipper for its daring mission. This is more than just a journey to another celestial body, it's a voyage into the unknown. The possibility of finding alien life has captivated humanity for centuries. From ancient myths and legends to modern science fiction, the idea of extraterrestrial beings has fueled our curiosity. Now, with the Europa Clipper mission, we stand on the precipice of turning science fiction into scientific fact. The world waits, eager to see what wonders Europa may reveal. Jupiter's magnetic field is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's, and it creates radiation belts so intense they could fry electronics in just a few months. That's because one of Jupiter's moons, Io, constantly shoots volcanic gas into space. This material gets trapped in the magnetic field, forming radiation belts that stretch out past Europa. When Pioneer and Voyager flew by in the 70s, they only lasted a few hours before their instruments began to malfunction. So, how is NASA planning to explore Europa for years without the spacecraft getting destroyed? Europa, the smallest of Jupiter's 4 Galilean moons, may seem like an unlikely place to search for life. Its surface is a desolate wasteland, a frozen expanse of ice and rock, bombarded by radiation from Jupiter. Yet beneath this harsh exterior lies a hidden gem, a vast global ocean, potentially containing more water than all the oceans on Earth combined. This hidden ocean, shielded from the lethal radiation by a thick, icy shell, is a beacon of hope in our search for extraterrestrial life. Scientists believe that Europa's ocean is salty, potentially containing the necessary ingredients for life as we know it. This makes it one of the most promising places in our solar system to search for extraterrestrial life. The solution is ingenious. Europa Clipper will only swoop in for short flybys, collecting data, then flying back out to a safer orbit around Jupiter. It'll make 49 flybys over 4 years, mapping Europa's surface in incredible detail. That's how it earned its name. Like 19th-century Clipper ships, this spacecraft will dip in and out quickly, gathering information. Exploring Europa is no easy feat. The moon orbits Jupiter, a gas giant with a magnetic field so powerful that it traps charged particles from the sun, creating a radiation belt so intense that it could fry a spacecraft's electronics in a matter of days. This radiation poses a significant challenge to the Europa Clipper mission. To overcome this obstacle, the Europa Clipper will not orbit Europa directly. Instead, it will perform a series of flybys, swooping in close to gather data, and then retreating to a safer distance. This elliptical orbit will minimize the spacecraft's exposure to Jupiter's radiation, allowing it to survive long enough to complete its mission. The Europa Clipper's instruments are also specially designed to withstand the harsh radiation environment. Shielding and radiation-hardened components will protect the spacecraft's sensitive electronics, ensuring that it can continue to collect and transmit data throughout its mission. Europa might be the best place in our solar system to find alien life. But why? Take a look at this photo taken by Voyager in 1979. Do you notice what's missing? No craters. Europa's surface seems constantly renewed. Something is driving geological activity, erasing those craters, and we believe it's a subsurface ocean hiding beneath the ice. While we have yet to directly observe Europa's ocean, a wealth of evidence suggests its existence. The moon's smooth, icy surface, crisscrossed by a network of cracks and ridges, hints at the dynamic processes occurring beneath the ice. These surface features are thought to be caused by the movement of the ocean below, as tidal forces from Jupiter and its other moons stretch and squeeze Europa, generating heat and keeping the water liquid. Another piece of evidence comes from magnetic field measurements taken by the Galileo spacecraft, which orbited Jupiter from 1995 to 2003. These measurements revealed that Europa has an induced magnetic field, which changes in response to Jupiter's rotating magnetic field. This suggests the presence of a salty, electrically conductive layer beneath the surface, most likely a global ocean. Furthermore, observations from telescopes on Earth and in space have detected plumes of water vapor erupting from Europa's surface, spewing hundreds of kilometers into space. These plumes, thought to originate from the subsurface ocean, provide further evidence for the existence of this hidden water world. NASA's Galileo spacecraft discovered an important clue. A strong magnetic field is being generated inside Europa. The only way this is possible is if there's an electrically conductive layer beneath the ice, and that layer is likely a massive, salty ocean. Scientists believe this hidden ocean could be 100 kilometers deep, holding twice as much water as all of Earth's oceans combined. The possibility of life in Europa's ocean. The presence of a vast, salty ocean on Europa raises an intriguing question. Could it harbor life? The answer, tantalizingly, is a resounding maybe. Scientists believe that Europa's ocean could potentially contain all the necessary ingredients for life as we know it. One possibility is that life could exist around hydrothermal vents on Europa's ocean floor. On Earth, hydrothermal vents fueled by geothermal energy support thriving ecosystems even in the absence of sunlight. Similar vents could exist on Europa, providing a source of energy and nutrients for chemosynthetic life forms. Another possibility is that life could exist in Europa's ice shell itself. Recent studies have shown that the ice could be more porous than previously thought, allowing for the exchange of nutrients and energy between the ocean and the surface. This could create habitable zones within the ice where life could potentially thrive. The Europa Clipper mission with its suite of sophisticated instruments will help us answer these questions. By studying the composition of Europa's plumes, mapping its surface in high resolution, and probing its interior with radar, the spacecraft will provide unprecedented insights into the habitability of this icy world. But how can an ocean stay liquid in a place so cold? Europa's surface temperature is minus 160 degrees Celsius. The answer lies in a phenomenon called tidal flexing. As Europa orbits Jupiter, it's constantly stretched and squeezed by the gravitational pull of Io and Ganymede. This friction generates heat inside the moon, just like squeezing this ball warms it. That's enough to keep the ocean below from freezing solid. The Europa Clipper, unveiling Europa's secrets. The Europa Clipper spacecraft is a marvel of modern engineering, specifically designed to withstand the harsh conditions of the Jovian system and unlock the secrets of Europa. Equipped with a suite of 9 state-of-the-art instruments, the spacecraft will provide the most detailed look at Europa ever attempted. Among its instruments are cameras capable of capturing high-resolution images of Europa's surface, revealing details as small as a few meters across. A spectrometer will analyze the composition of Europa's surface and plumes, searching for signs of organic molecules and other indicators of life. A magnetometer will measure Europa's magnetic field, providing further insights into the structure and composition of its ocean. An ice-penetrating radar will map the thickness and structure of Europa's icy shell, revealing the hidden landscape of its ocean floor. The data collected by the Europa Clipper will be transmitted back to Earth, where scientists will spend years analyzing it, piecing together the puzzle of Europa's history and potential for life. The mission promises to revolutionize our understanding of this enigmatic world and its place in the search for life beyond Earth. Here on Earth, life thrives around hydrothermal vents at the bottom of the ocean, thousands of meters below the surface where sunlight never reaches. Bacteria feed on chemicals from the vents instead of relying on sunlight. Could something similar be happening on Europa? We've seen plumes of water erupting from another icy moon Enceladus, and there's some evidence that similar geysers might exist on Europa. If Europa Clipper can fly through one of these plumes, it could detect signs of organic molecules, just like a drone collecting whale breath here on Earth. International collaboration, a symphony of space exploration. The quest to understand Europa and its potential for harboring life is a global endeavor, involving collaboration between space agencies and scientists from around the world. The Europa Clipper mission, led by NASA, benefits from significant contributions from the European Space Agency, or ESA, and other international partners. ESA is developing a separate mission to explore Jupiter's icy moons, called JUICE, which stands for Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer. Scheduled for launch in 2022, JUICE will study Jupiter's atmosphere and magnetosphere, and conduct detailed investigations of 3 of its largest moons, Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa. While JUICE will not directly sample Europa's ocean, it will provide valuable context for understanding the moon's formation, evolution, and potential for habitability. The data collected by both the Europa Clipper and JUICE missions will be shared among the international scientific community, fostering collaboration and advancing our understanding of Jupiter's icy moons. This collaborative approach highlights the power of international cooperation in space exploration and the pursuit of knowledge that benefits all humankind. Europa Clipper will carry a suite of instruments to hunt for signs of life, infrared spectrometer to detect salts and organics on the surface, ultraviolet spectrograph to search for plumes, high-resolution cameras to map the surface in incredible detail, down to ½ meter per pixel. The significance of finding alien life. The discovery of alien life, even in its simplest form, would be one of the most profound events in human history. It would fundamentally alter our understanding of our place in the universe, demonstrating that we are not alone and that life is not unique to Earth. The philosophical, scientific, and societal implications of such a discovery are vast and far-reaching. From a scientific perspective, the discovery of alien life would revolutionize our understanding of biology, chemistry, and the origins of life itself. By studying extraterrestrial life forms, we could gain unprecedented insights into the diversity of life in the universe and the processes that led to its emergence. From a philosophical perspective, the discovery of alien life would force us to confront profound questions about the nature of consciousness, intelligence, and our place in the cosmos. It would challenge our anthropocentric worldview, expanding our awareness of the vastness and diversity of the universe and our place within it. Inspiring the next generation of explorers, the Europa Clipper mission, with its bold objective and its potential for groundbreaking discoveries, serves as a powerful source of inspiration for the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. By pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity and venturing into the unknown, the mission ignites our collective imagination and encourages us to dream big. The quest to explore the cosmos is a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity, our insatiable curiosity, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. It reminds us that we are capable of achieving great things when we work together towards a common goal. The Europa Clipper mission is a shining example of what we can accomplish when we dare to dream big and push the boundaries of human exploration, and NASA's mission won't be alone. The European Space Agency's JUICE mission will arrive at Jupiter just 15 months later. While Europa Clipper focuses on Europa, JUICE will orbit another intriguing moon, Ganymede. Both missions will share data, painting a fuller picture of the Jupiter system.
Europa Clipper won't drill through the ice, but it will gather enough evidence to tell us whether Europa's ocean is habitable. If it finds organic molecules, the next step would be to send a lander to search for direct evidence of life. Interestingly, NASA once called Arthur C. Clarke to show him the plans for a Europa mission. Clarke's response? He gave them his blessing to land on Europa, just as he predicted in his novel. Europa Clipper is proof that when humanity sets ambitious goals, nothing is out of reach, not even the discovery of alien life. It's not just a mission to another moon, it's a testament to the power of curiosity and collaboration.
Our place in the cosmos. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of space exploration, the Europa Clipper mission reminds us of the vastness and wonder of the universe and our place within it. For centuries, humans have looked up at the stars and wondered if we are alone. Now, with missions like Europa Clipper, we are finally beginning to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos and search for answers to this age-old question. The journey to Europa is not just about finding alien life. It's about expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and inspiring future generations to continue exploring the cosmos. Whatever discoveries await us on this icy moon, one thing is certain: the journey itself will be just as profound as the destination. Thanks for watching. See you next time, out there among the stars. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to follow the latest updates on the Europa Clipper mission.